Don't go nowhere. Because you want to see what I can do. Because first of all, liquor no liquor. Your girl got skills. And she got this. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all missed me because I missed you. I'm gonna stop being annoying one of these days, but I don't foresee it anytime soon. But today, as you can see by the title, I am attempting to do a drunk makeup tutorial. This is probably the worst decision I've ever made in life. Like, it probably is, because I'm nervous. For one, I've never gotten drunk by myself. There's gonna be some lonely, depressing conversations. But for two, my wife is gonna kill me. But I'm doing it for you guys. So we're here. What I'm gonna be drinking is tequila. I have this bottle right here, which is almost gone, but no worries because I have another one. I don't do mixed drinks because I like to get it over with, so I'm gonna take some shots, you guys. So you know, you can take, I'm gonna give you a second to go get yourself a drink so you can shot with me, because even though it's 12:18, we gonna do this. That's a big, y'all, that's a big one. I can't do that all together. And I had it in the freezer, so I had, what is that? I'm nervous. The smell of it is already just, let's go. I'm already regretting this. Whew. Let's finish up, because I didn't drink that whole thing, I'm not gonna lie. I was nervous. I'm gonna pour another shot because I'm almost done with this bottle. I'm making a lot of noise. I don't have my contacts in or my glasses on because I don't want it to be a glare, and I should have put my contacts in. Nope. I almost didn't get that one now. I'm opening up the new bottle, you guys. And yeah, so I need you guys to comment some things that you would like to see from my channel. I know I'm making a lot of noise, but that's because you're not getting a little reckless when I'm drinking. But I need for you to comment down below some things that you would like to see from my channel and some things that you would like to see me do, because I'm open to do anything for you guys. Well, anything, I don't know, it could get a little crazy, so maybe not anything, but what I feel is fits, okay? But I'm gonna, what number am I on? Who cares? Thumbs up. I'm scared, guys. I have been feeling a little sick, so ignore me. Let's go ahead and take this. Let's go ahead, you guys. I don't probably need it, but who's here? Who's gonna stop me? Babe, disclaimer. Babe, I'm sorry. Let's go. I can go to sleep right now, but I'm about to go and get my makeup. So I'll be back. I'm about to go and get some makeup, you guys, and I will be back since I feel my drinks. I'm about to be. Don't go nowhere, you guys. Let's talk. How about you guys stay to the end of the video and subscribe to my channel so you can see more things from me. And I am very open to do what you guys want to see. So comment down below, talk to me, let me know what you all want to see, and I will do it for you guys, okay? So I'll be back. I'm about to go get some makeup, and I'll be back. Don't go nowhere. Because you want to see what I can do. Because first of all, liquor no liquor. Your girl got skills. And she got this. Boop. Be back. Okay, you guys. So, I'm going to take another shot. So So to start off, I have my little brow pencil in dark brown. It's from NYC. It's from New York City. And I went and purchased this in New York. I dropped it. Yes, I flew to New York to actually purchase this because I just got money like that. And you know, going to the actual place where they made it is better than actually purchasing it in the store, because they do, you know, they produce it better. So I flew to New York City to get this. What's your favorite type of liquor to drink? I don't like drinking, to be honest. So count me out. Now what, before we go any further, how about another shot? So somebody tell me how many shots this equal up to, because I don't feel like it was enough. So this gotta be the last one. Gotta be. The thing is, I'm talented regardless. Sober, drunk. Oh, I messed that up a little bit, but you know what? Imperfections. Sometimes imperfections. Girl, I don't know what I was trying to say. So maybe I shouldn't mess with this one. Oh! I did it and I messed it up. So, with that being said, I'm gonna stop messing with them. So guys, it's that time. I think it's time for another shot. So I'm being bold and I'm gonna do it. But this is the last one. Scout's honor. And I wasn't even in Boy Scout. I'm gonna set this eye. I'm gonna move a little faster because I'm getting too drunk. I brought this glitter, and I think it goes with the blue that's in my palette. And then I brought this one because I'm about to make a 5 look, and you gonna enjoy. Did I bring brushes? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. You won't catch me slipping. Oh, I think I'm doing good already. I really do. I really do. You guys, let's start off by saying I'm doing a good job. I want to sing. So join in if you know the selection. I gotta figure out one first though. Look! I'll conceal it in a second. There will be mountains that I will have to climb. I probably should sing a song that I know. You guys, what is this looking like? Because I can't really tell. You know what? I'm probably gonna do my makeup better than ever drunk. I don't know, because listen, hey, what? Who, me? No. It's Loree, and I can't do this makeup for you guys. Rubbing on these thighs, telling these lies, because I'm about to mess it up. Oh my god. Subscribe to my channel for this cut crease, you guys. You better get these sober. Oh, snap, crackle, and pop. I think I'm doing something. I don't know, you guys. And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Cheez-Its. I'm hungry, you guys. probably do makeup better drunk than I do sober. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Lancome Pro. This ain't Lancome. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color that I use because I can't see it. Hey guys, so I have to hurry up and finish this because my camera is dying. But this is the finished look. That's all I'm gonna do today. I dropped that brush, so let's do this one. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm still feeling my drink. I ain't got nothing else to say.